The Karnataka State Cricket Association (KSCA) has issued an official media clarification expressing disappointment over Bengaluru not being selected as a host city for the IPL playoffs and finals this season. KSCA President Venkatesh Prasad had been in direct communication with the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), formally conveying the association's readiness, willingness, and strong interest in hosting these high-profile matches at the iconic Chinnaswamy Stadium. According to the statement, IPL matches conducted in Bengaluru this season received widespread appreciation for smooth execution, efficient crowd management, and overall spectator experience. KSCA emphasized that these successful operations reaffirm its capability to handle marquee events like the IPL playoffs. The association also confirmed that it had submitted a detailed communication to the BCCI outlining its operational preparedness and logistical framework. These systems, KSCA noted, have been consistently followed since the IPL's inception in 2008 and were also implemented during previous playoff matches hosted in Bengaluru. KSCA clarified that its communication was purely factual and aimed at ensuring transparency regarding logistics and stakeholder coordination required for hosting such large-scale events. While acknowledging that the BCCI has allocated the playoff matches to other venues, KSCA stated that the reason for this decision have not been formally communicated. Despite this, the association has expressed full respect for the BCCI's authority in decision-making. Reiterating its commitment, KSCA assured continued support to the BCCI, franchises, government bodies, and stakeholders for the successful conduct of cricket events in India. The statement concluded with gratitude towards the media and cricket fans for their continued support and understanding.